Welcome to Bahubali Vidyapit, Bahubali, Vidyasagar High School, Akiwad. Welcome in the e-learning class. I am J.S. Geetaji Ma'am, Assistant Teacher, Sri Vidyasagar High School, Akiwad, Taluka Shiro, District, Kolhapur. Today we are going to learn My English Book Standard 5. We will see the lesson from My English Book Standard 5. The name of the topic is Unit number 2, More than 100 words. Things you see in the classroom. There are so many things you see in the classroom. Let's study some things which you see in the classroom. First, I will read this word. First, blackboard, bench, chart, map, book. Blackboard means phada. Bench means bag. Chart means takta. Map means nakasha. Book means pustak. So, you see the things in the classroom are blackboard, bench, chart, map and book. Let's see more examples. We see more things in classroom. First, LCD projector, computer, pen, dustbin. LCD projector means Chitrapat Prakshepan Yantra. Computer, all of you know this. Computer means Sanganak. Pen, pen means Lekhni. Dustbin, dustbin means Kachra Peti. Things you see in the classroom, LCD projector. Things you see in the classroom, LCD projector, computer, pen, dustbin. Things you see in the classroom, globe, notebook, school bag, chair, chalk, duster, sharpener, tiffin box, eraser. Globe, globe means prithvi gol. Notebook, notebook means wahi. Sharpener, sharpener means टॉप करायचे यंत्र. स्कूल बॅग, स्कूल बॅग मीन्स शाळेची पिशवी. चेअर, चेअर मीन्स खुर्ची. टिफिन बॉक्स मीन्स जेवणाचा डबा. चॉक, चॉक मीन्स खडू. डस्टर मीन्स फळा पुसायचे साधन. इरेजर मीन्स खोड रबर. थिंग्स you see in the classroom, globe, notebook, sharpener, school bag, chair, tiffin box, chalk, duster and eraser. Things you see in the classroom, geography book, history book, mathematics book. Geography book, भूगोलाचे पुस्तक. हिस्ट्री बुक, इतिहासाचे पुस्तक. मॅथमॅटिक्स बुक, गणिताचे पुस्तक. थिंग्स यू सी इन द क्लासरूम, geography book, history book and mathematics books. Things you see in the classroom, Marathi notebook, मराठी बुक. क्लासवर्क नोटबुक. हिंदी बुक. होमवर्क नोटबुक. इंग्लिश बुक. मराठी नोटबुक, मराठीची वही, मराठी बुक, मराठीचे पुस्तक. क्लासवर्क नोटबुक, वर्गपटाची वही. हिंदी बुक, हिंदीचे पुस्तक. होमवर्क नोटबुक, गृहपाठाची वही. अँड इंग्लिश बुक, इंग्रजीचे पुस्तक. मराठी नोटबुक, मराठी बुक. क्लासवर्क नोटबुक, हिंदी बुक. होमवर्क नोटबुक, English book. Things used in the classroom are Marathi notebook, Marathi book, classwork notebook, Hindi book, homework notebook and English book. Things you see in the classroom: uniform, pencil, scale. Uniform means Ganvesh, pencil means pencil, scale means patti. Things you see in the classroom are uniform, pencil and scale. Things you see in the classroom: tube, desk, writing pads. Tube means tube, desk means लिखाणाचे उतरते मेज. रायटिंग पॅड्स मीन्स लिहिण्याची पाटी. ट्यूब्स, डेस्क, रायटिंग पॅड्स. थिंग्स यू सी इन द क्लासरूम आर ट्यूब्स, डेस्क, रायटिंग पॅड्स. Things you see in the home: fridge, television, sofa set. Fridge means शीत कपाट. Television means दूरदर्शन संच. Sofa set means बसण्याचा सोफा. Things you see in the home are fridge, television, sofa set. Let's see more examples. Things you see in the home: dining table, washing machine, showcase. Dining table, जेवणाचे टेबल. वॉशिंग मशीन, कपडे धुण्याचे यंत्र. शोकेस, शोभेच्या वस्तू ठेवण्याचे कपाट. Things you see in the home are dining table, washing machine, showcase. Things you see in the home: fan, clock, bed. Fan means पंखा, clock means घड्याळ, bed means बिछाना. Things you see in the home: fan, clock, bed. Things you see in the home: bulb, window, door. Bulb means bulb, window means खिड़की, door means दरवाजा. Things you see in the home are bulb, window and door. Things you see in the home: mat, cup and pot. Mat means चटई, cup means cup, pot means भांडे. Things you see in the home are mat, cup and pot. Things you see in the home: cloths, mat, bucket. Cloths means कपड़े, mat means चटई, bucket means बादली. Clothes, mat, bucket. Things you see in the home: dustbin, cooker, vegetables. Dustbin means कचरा पेटी, cooker means कुकर, अन्न शिजवण्याचे साधन. Vegetables means भाज्या. Things you see in the home: dustbin, cooker and vegetables. Things you see in the home: fruits, sewing machine, table and chair. Things you see in the home: fruits, sewing machine, table and chair. Fruits means फळे, sewing machine means शिवणाचे शिवणयंत्र, sewing machine means शिवणयंत्र, table and chair खुर्ची आणि टेबल. Things you see in the garden: marigold, flowers, merry-go-round, lotus, plants, skipping ropes, peacock, lamp post, trees. Things you see in the garden are marigold. Marigold means झेंडूचं फूल. Flowers. Flowers means फुले. Merry-go-round means गोल पाळणा. Lotus means कमल. Plants means वनस्पती. Skipping ropes means उड्या मारण्याची दोरी. Peacock. Peacock means मोर. Lamp post म्हणजे दिवा. Trees. Trees means झाडे. Things you see in the garden are marigold, flowers, merry-go-round, lotus, plants, skipping ropes, peacock, lamp post and trees. Things you see in the garden: fruits, animals, birds. Fruits means फळे, animals means प्राणी and birds means पक्षी. Things you see in the garden: fruits, animals and birds. Things you see in the garden: grass, notice board, beehive. Things you see in the garden are grass. Grass means गवत. Notice board means सूचना फलक. Beehive means मधमाशाचे पोळे. Things you see in the garden are grass, notice board and beehive. Things you see in the garden: insect, bush, slide, seesaw, ice cream, squirrel, handcart and swing. Insect. Insect means कीटक. Bush. Bush means झुडूप. Slide. Slide means घसरगुंडी. Seesaw. Seesaw means मुलांचे खेळण्याचे साहित्य. Ice cream. Ice cream means all of you know this ice cream. Squirrel. Squirrel means खार. Hand cart. Hand cart means हातगाडी. Swing. Swing means झोपाळा. Things you see in the garden are insect, bush, slide, seesaw, ice cream, squirrel, hand cart and swing. Things you see in the garden: lawn, fountain. B. Things you see in the garden: lawn, lawn means cover, fountain, fountain means karanja. B means madmashi. Things you see in the garden: lawn, fountain and B. Things you see in the market. Things you see in the market: ball, bat, helmet, stump, gloves and pad. Things you see in the market: ball, ball means chendu, bat, bat means chendu phai, helmet, helmet means shirastran, stump means stump, gloves means hath moje and pad, pad means pad. Things you see in the market: ball, bat, helmet, stump, gloves and pad. Things you see in the market: leaves, things you see in the market: leaves, pane, basket, topli, shelf, kapat, stone, dagad, grocery, kirana mal, grapes, drakshe, chairs, खुर्च्या, ट्रॉली, ड्रायफ्रूट, सुकवलेली फळे. थिंग्स यू सी इन द मार्केट: लीव्स, बास्केट, शेल्फ, स्टोन, ग्रोसरी, ग्रेप्स, चेयर्स, ट्रॉली and dry fruit. Things you see in the market: vegetables, flowers, cosmetics, fruits. Things you see in the market: vegetables, पालेभाज्या, flowers, फुले, cosmetics, सौंदर्य प्रसाधने, fruits, फळे. Things you see in the market: vegetables, flowers, cosmetics and fruits. Things you see in the market: cold drinks, food items, clothes. Things you see in the market: cold drinks, शीतपेय, food items, खाद्य पदार्थ, clothes, कपड़े. Things you see in the market: cold drinks, food items and clothes. Things you see in the market: flowers, shop, money. Things you see in the market: flowers means फुले, shop, दुकान, money, पैसा. Things you see in the market: milk, tomato, twice, potato, beans, oil. Things you see in the market: milk, milk means दूध, tomato means tomato, twice, twice means खेनी, potato means बटाटा, beans means घेवडा, oil, oil means तेल. Things you see in the market: milk, tomato, twice, potato, beans and oil. Things you see in the market: watermelon, cabbage, salt, ladyfinger, sauce, butter. Things you see in the market: watermelon, कलिंगड, cabbage means gobi, salt means meat, ladyfinger means bhendi, sauce means sauce, all of you know this. Butter means loni. Things you see in the market: watermelon, cabbage, salt, ladyfinger, sauce and butter. Things you see in the jungle: tiger, deer, elephant, tortoise. Things you see in the jungle: tiger means wagh, deer means harin, elephant means hathi, tortoise means kasav. Things you see in the jungle: tiger, deer, elephant and tortoise. Things you see in the jungle: snakes, ducks, monkey, rat, cuckoos, deer. Things you see in the jungle are snakes, saap, ducks, badak, monkey, makad, rat, undir, cuckoos, kokya, deer means harin. Things you see in the jungle are snakes, ducks, monkey, rat, cuckoos and deer. Things you see in the jungle: mynas, bee, rat, deer, bear. Things you see in the jungle: mynas means maina, name of the bird. Bee means madmashi. Rat means undir. Deer means harin. Bear means aswal. Things you see in the jungle: mynas, bee, rat, deer and bear. Things you see in the jungle: fox, insect, giraffe, rabbit, goat. Things you see in the jungle: fox means kolla, insect means kitak, giraffe means giraffe, rabbit means sasa, goat means bakri. Things you see in the jungle are fox, insect, giraffe, rabbit and goat. Things you see in the jungle: plants means vanaspati, trees means झाडे, birds means pakshi. Things you see in the jungle: plants, trees and birds. Things you see in the imagination. Imagination means kalpana. Things you see in the imagination: तुम्ही काल्पनिक जगामध्ये पाहिलेल्या वस्तू किंवा व्यक्ती. थिंग्स यू सी इन द इमॅजिनेशन: किंग, क्वीन, प्रिन्स. थिंग्स यू सी इन द इमॅजिनेशन: किंग मीन्स राजा, क्वीन मीन्स राणी and prince means rajkumar. Things you see in the imagination: king, queen and prince. Things you see in the imagination: joker, fairy, hell, flying car, talking frog. Things you see in the imagination: joker means joker, fairy means pari, hell means narak, flying car उडणारी चारचाकी, talking frog बोलणारा बेडूक. Things you see in the imagination: joker, fairy, hell, flying car and talking frog. Things you see in the imagination: marble meadows, आश्चर्यकारक पुरण, पर्ल रिव्हर मोत्यांची नदी, गोल्डन प्लॅनेट, सोनेरी ग्रह. अंडरग्राउंड सिटी, जमिनीखालचे शहर. ब्लॅक रिव्हर, काळी नदी. पर्ल्स सी, मोत्यांचा समुद्र. फ्लोटिंग बस, उडणारी बस. सी एरोप्लेन, समुद्रातले विमान. थिंग्स यू सी इन द इमॅजिनेशन, मार्बल मेडोज, पर्ल रिव्हर, फ्लोटिंग बस, सी एरोप्लेन, गोल्डन प्लॅनेट, अंडरग्राउंड सिटी, ब्लॅक रिव्हर अँड पर्ल्स सी. Things you see in the imagination: ice field, Violet Valley, and Bead Island. Things you see in the imagination: ice field, बर्फाची शेती, Violet Valley, जांभळी दरी, बीड आयलँड, मण्यांचे बेट. Things you see in the imagination: ice field, Violet Valley, Bead Island. Things you see in the imagination: Fire Mountain, Red Sand, Magical Mines, Crystal Lake, Golden Peak, Silver Water, Talking Birds, Black Forest. Fire Mountains, आगीचे पर्वत. Red Sand means लाल वाळू. मॅजिकल माइन्स, जादूच्या खाणी. क्रिस्टल लेक, स्फटिकासारखे असणारे तळे. गोल्डन पीक, सोनेरी शिखर. सिल्वर वॉटर, चंदेरी पाणी. टॉकिंग बर्ड्स, बोलणारे पक्षी. ब्लॅक फॉरेस्ट, काळा जंगल. थिंग्स यू सी इन द इमॅजिनेशन: फायर माउंटन, रेड सॅन्ड, मॅजिकल माइन्स, क्रिस्टल लेक, गोल्डन पीक, सिल्वर वॉटर, टॉकिंग बर्ड्स, ब्लॅक फॉरेस्ट. Things you see in the imagination: Pearl home, diamond car, golden lake. Pearl home means मोत्यांचे घर. Diamond car means हिऱ्यांची चारचाकी. गोल्डन लेक मीन्स सोनेरी तळे. थिंग्स यू सी इन द इमॅजिनेशन: पर्ल होम, डायमंड कार, गोल्डन लेक. थिंग्स यू सी इन द इमॅजिनेशन: सिल्वर पॅरोट, गोल्डन ऍपल, ब्लॅक सन, टायनी कॅमल. सिल्वर पॅरोट मीन्स चंदेरी पोपट. गोल्डन ऍपल मीन्स सोनेरी सफरचंद. ब्लॅक सन मीन्स काळा सूर्य. अँड टायनी कॅमल मीन्स छोटासा किंवा लहान उंट. थिंग्स यू सी इन द इमॅजिनेशन: सिल्वर पॅरट, गोल्डन ऍपल, ब्लॅक सन, टायनी कॅमल. Things you see in the imagination: green moon, diamond tree, golden flower. Green moon means हिरवा चंद्र. Diamond tree means हिऱ्यांचे झाड. Golden flower means सोनेरी फुले. Things you see in the imagination: green moon, diamond tree, golden flower. Things you see in the imagination: talking mountains, flying fish, metal moon, floating trees, pearls river, bead's house. Things you see in the imagination: talking mountains, बोलणारे पर्वत. Flying fish, उडणारा मासा. Metal moon, धातूचा चंद्र. फ्लोटिंग ट्रीज, उडणारी झाडे. पर्ल्स रिव्हर, मोत्यांची नदी. बीड्स हाऊस, मण्यांचे घर. थिंग्स यू सी इन द इमॅजिनेशन: टॉकिंग माउंटन्स, flying fish, metal moon, floating trees, pearls river, beard's house. Things you see in the imagination: diamond umbrella, crystal mango, flying stone, talking moon, pearl fish, crying biscuits. Things you see in the imagination: diamond umbrella, हिऱ्याची छत्री, क्रिस्टल मँगो, स्फटिकासारख्या आंबा, फ्लाइंग स्टोन, उडणारा दगड, टॉकिंग मून, बोलणारा चंद्र, पर्ल फिश, मोत्यांचा मासा, क्राइंग बिस्किट्स, रडणारे बिस्किट. थिंग्स यू सी इन द इमॅजिनेशन: डायमंड अम्ब्रेला, फ्लाइंग स्टोन, पर्ल फिश, क्रिस्टल मँगो, टॉकिंग मून, क्राइंग बिस्किट्स. Things you see in the imagination: golden rope, pearl parrot, ice grass, beads orange, lotus car, talking cat. Things you see in the imagination: golden rope means सोनेरी दोर, pearl parrot means मोत्यांचा पोपट, ice grass means बर्फांचे गवत, beads orange means मण्यांचे संत्री, लोटस कार मीन्स कमळासारखे चार चाकी, टॉकिंग कॅट मीन्स बोलणारे मांजर. थिंग्स यू सी इन द इमॅजिनेशन: गोल्डन रोप, पर्ल पॅरट, आइस ग्रास, बीड्स ऑरेंज, लोटस कार अँड टॉकिंग कॅट. थिंग्स यू सी इन द इमॅजिनेशन: डायमंड स्टिक्स, टॉकिंग रूलर, golden grapes, flying pillow. Diamond sticks means हिऱ्यांची काठी, talking ruler means बोलणारी पट्टी, golden grapes सोनेरी द्राक्षे, flying pillow उडणारी उशी. Things you see in the imagination are diamond sticks, talking ruler, golden grapes and flying pillow. Things you see in the imagination: flying ship, उडणारी मेंढी, टॉकिंग रिस्ट वॉच, बोलणारे मनगटी घड्याळ, रिबन ट्रेन, रेबीनची गाडी, वॉकिंग बेल्ट, चालणारा बेल्ट. Things you see in the imagination: flying ship, talking wristwatch, ribbon train, walking belt. Things you see in the imagination: flying handcart, golden bullock cart, beautiful fairy, bread river. Flying handcart, उडणारी हातगाडी, golden bullock cart, सोनेरी बैलगाडी, ब्युटिफुल फेरी, सुंदर परी, ब्रेड रिव्हर, ब्रेडची नदी. थिंग्स यू सी इन द इमॅजिनेशन आर फ्लाइंग हँडकार्ट, गोल्डन बुलक कार्ट, ब्युटिफुल फेरी अँड ब्रेड रिव्हर. Exercise: write these words in your notebook and put it in alphabetical order. Thanks for watching video creation and guidance. So, Jai Sri Geeta J Ma'am, Sri Vidyasagar High School, Akiwad. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Jai Sri Geeta J. Keep watching. Thanks for watching once again. Thank you.